This is Mpanga Kipengere Game Reserve, the land of waterfalls. I am Bongozozo. I am here at Mpanga Kipengere Game Reserve between Mbeya and Njombe in southern Tanzania. Here there is a series of waterfalls, each one of them completely different from the other. I've been in waterfalls all around the world. What's the nicest thing about here is all of these are swimmable. There were areas when you could go under the water, behind the waterfall, and that was so much fun, hey? Forget about life for a while and play in water. So come and visit this place. Waterfalls were so much fun. Now this is Tanzania unforgettable.